Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, what is today's date?
Today is 2081-0204.
0204. It means Boisak's first week also over. You have to appear in SCE 2081. It may be held in second week of Chaitra. Means now count near about 10 months left. Because Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Mangsir, Posh, Magh, Phagun. After Phagun, from Chaitra first of second week there will be. Now hardly 10 months left, so please be focused and study. Eh? So children, what are we going to discuss about the presentation of our students? Okay? Are you ready? So I think this is the best idea to divide the students into small groups. And I have already said, if you deserve 90% in average, you will get, what do you get? Pen. Okay? Pen and ink pen also. Ink also. So who are the presenters of today? Stand up first. Group A, Raju. Group B, Sasank at Lamsal. Group C, Jay Kumar Sharma. Group D, Ritika Maharjan. Group E, Bian Balami. So generally what do? We do from A, B, C, D, E. Right? I don't know whatever work was given to them. So let's hear their matter. So generally what you have to do, you have to just open that PowerPoint and explain it. Not only reading. Generally what do? They just read and go. That is not sufficient. Understood or not? Develop that habit. Let's welcome on the stage none other than Raju Kumar Shah.
Namaskar and very warm welcome to all. Today I am here to present on the topic of monocot and dicotyledons. Today I am here to present on monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Monocotyledons are the seeds of plants which have single cotyledons, and dicotyledons are the seed of plant which contains two cotyledons. Monocot seeds contain only a single embryonic leaf and simple root system. Germination, monocot and dicot had distinct germination partner as based on the seeds. There are different structure of monocot leaves and dicot leaves. Monocot leaves have parallel veins and long narrow, which supports the leaf and helps to in manufacture of food. Dicotyledon leaves have a branch net like ventilation partner and wider variety of shapes. Stem structure and growth. Monocot stem have starred vascular bundles and lack of secondary growth. Dicot system have a ring of vascular bundles and can undergo secondary growth. Growth partners, monocot and dicots exhibit distinct stem growth and development of strategies. Root structure and function of monocot and dicot roots. Monocot roots have fibrous root system which are many thin and branched roots. Similarly, dicot roots has a tap root system and primary roots and lateral roots. There are different structure of monocot flower and dicot flowers. Monocot flowers have 3 petals, 3 sepal and 3 or 6 stamen, as you see in the figure. Dicot flowers have 4 or 5 sepals and variable number of stamen. There are economic importance of monocot and dicots too. The major food crops, rice, wheat, corn, biofuel and oriental plants are the source of monocots, and fruits, vegetable species medicinal plants. Wood products are of dicots. Conclusion: key difference: monocot and dicot differ in seed and structure of leaf, ventilation, stage, anatomy, root system, and flower characters. Importance: understanding the plant's division is essential. Finding botany, agriculture, and economic diversity. Monocot and dicot encompass as the vast array of species with a unique adaptation and users. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Raju. So Raju did not only depend upon his book, he found many more things from secondary source also, right? Otherwise in book what was given? Definition of monocot, definition of dicot, and some characteristics was given, right? But see how it is given, just you can check here. So monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Any problem? Who prepared this?
Nirajan.
Oh, it was prepared by Nirajan Bhatta. Please give him a big round of applause. Yes, good. Yeah. So, okay. Our presentator is Raju, but prepared by Nirajan. Good. The Nirajan also could present. Next time you try, okay? Because our main intention is to remove the nervousness from you. Otherwise, why to manage all those recording things here? Why to bring in this class? We could discuss in class only, isn't it? So, everybody is capable. At the beginning, I also used to be afraid to go in front of the mass. But now I don't, because it's the matter of habit, no? So, it helps to build up the confidence. So, monocotyledons and dicotyledons, so see, what is given here? Made with gamma is given. I don't know what is this. This may be new software or what, right? So gamma is not of PPT.
Yes, it is of
PPT, but there is gamma. So something, I think, see, students, they know new and new things. And thus you made here, this one part is black and writing is white. And VIP gaming, yeah, is very dangerous way. Who knows, he may win some international games and may earn crores of rupees, right? And see here, these flowers, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see these or not? These colored parts are called petal. What are they called? Petal. If there are 4 or 5 petal, that is dicot. Remember, eh? If petals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is dicot. If either 3 or multiple of 3, means 1, 2, 3 or 6 or 9, that is monocot. Monocot contains 4 or 5 petals. Dicot contains 4 or 5 petals. Monocot contains 3 or multiple of 3. See, it is of dicot, it is of monocot. This is called reticulate venation. What is this called? Leaf is different. Leaf is different. You have seen sugarcane or not? Sugarcane leaf is like upper one or lower one? Lower one, right? So this is parallel venation. And what is this? Reticulate venation. Beetle nut. You have seen pan ko pata or not?
Yes,
So that is flat also. And what about the venation? Parallel or reticulate? Reticulate. In money plant? Reticulate. In banana? Parallel is there. That is monocotyledon. Okay? In coconut? Yeah, coconut also monocotyledon. Okay? Remember. Their whole seed is only one. We cannot divide. And look at here. Here one can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are called vascular bundle. What are they? So these vascular bundles are arranged in a ring in dicot, but they are scattered differently. That is in monocot. Mainly 3 difference we can give. And here we can see in dicot there are 2 cotyledon. Monocot there is 1 cotyledon. I think this is the seed of bean seed. It may be maize seed. So in this way you have to remember. Monocotyledon containing 1 cotyledon. Dicotyledon containing 2 cotyledons. And roots also. What type of roots are present in monocot? Tap root system. Is it wrong? In monocot, fibrous root system. In dicot, tap. Like how are they? Suppose This is the stem. What is this? From stem, if similar type of roots they have originated, these are called fibrous root system. What are they called? Fibrous. Fibrous root system. But if this is the main plant and branches, this another root comes like this, then small branches, sub branches, they arise. Then what do you call it? Taproot system. By looking at the flower structure, by looking or observing the seed, by looking the leaves, or by observing the section of stem, we can find out whether it is monocot or dicot. Okay, that's great. So very nicely he has made. Leaf structure is given here. See, stem growth also. They see that is fibrous system, taproot system. Yes or no? Very good. So now I think it's better to, and he has made here conclusion also. Idea is not so bad, no? So very good. So how to make your presentation more attractive? You have to think it. Now every day your work will be presentation only. So little presentation will be given to you. You will come, present, we will discuss, chapter finish. That is the system. Hey, teacher coming, just giving whole lecture, this and that is old method. We have to be smart. Smart people will do smart activities. Yes or no? For that, who has to be smart? Students. You have to be smart. Now teacher should not be smart. Teacher will help you only. So you must read and do accordingly. See, key difference. Monocots and dicots differ in their seed structure. He has been mentioned. Seed differs. Leaf also venation, parallel venation, radicular venation. Stem anatomy. How are the vascular bundles located? Vascular bundle means group of xylem and phloem. Right? A root system, taproot or fibrous root system. And flower, petals. 4 or 5 petal or 3 or multiple of 3. Right? These things you have to remember. An example you can give it to yourself. Example of monocots are maize plant, rice or paddy you can say. Then next one barley, millet, yes or no? Wheat, bamboo. Bamboo is also monocot. Bamboo also produces seed. Okay, bamboo seed is there. So when the bamboo becomes fully matured, flower can be noticed at the top and it produces seeds similar to paddy. Afterwards the bamboo dies. Okay. Thank you very much. Now whom to call on the stage from group B? Sasank Lamsal, please come. Okay, what is Sasank going to explain? I don't know. So you will find out his document and do it.
Namaskar and good afternoon to everyone. It's me Sasank Lamsal from grade 10. Today I am going to present on the topic of classification of some plants. First plant that is classified in our presentation is Spirogyra. Spirogyra lies in plantae kingdom. Its division is algae. Its main characteristic is that vascular tissues like xylem and phloem are absent in it. Second plant that we are going to classify is moss. Now, moss these all are plants, so they generally contain chlorophyll in them. Moss lies in Bryophyta division. They also lack vascular tissues like xylem and phloem. Fern is classified into Tracheophyta division. The subdivision that it lies in is Pteridophyta. Its main characteristic is that their young leaves show circinate venation. Cycas is the second plant. It also lies in the same division, Tracheophyta. It lies in Gymnosperm subdivision. Their main characteristics is that their special characteristic is that they do not bear fruits. Maize can also be classified in the same way. It also lies in the kingdom Plantae. It lies in Tracheophyta division, and it lies in Angiosperm subdivision. It is monocotyledon type of plant, so it have one cotyledon in it. Its characteristic is that the root system is tap or adventitious root. Another plant is mustard. Mustard lies in Tracheophyta division. It lies in Gymnosperm subdivision, as it is also dicotyledon plant. Some characteristics are that they are vascular plant and they have more than one cotyledon, two cotyledon. Second, another plant is Chlamydomonas. It lies in Plantae kingdom. It is classified into algae division. They reproduce by asexual and sexual method both. Riccia is classified into Bryophyta division. They are reproduced by vegetative and sexual methods generally. Pteris is also divided in the same kingdom Plantae, and it lies in algae division. Its main characteristic is that they do not lack any vascular tissues. I would like to conclude my presentation in the same way. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. One thing, students, Pteris, what is this? Alga doesn't have any subdivision. How have you done? Pteris, is it okay? Algae doesn't belong to Tracheophyta.
Tracheophyta.
Tracheophyta upper what is given?
Not given. Division is Tracheophyta, subdivision is Pteris.
Yeah, here is a little bit mistake, okay. It became a bit mistake because one thing remember, only Tracheophyta has subdivisions. What are they? Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm or Angiosperm. So if you write your division algae and this one it became wrong, it should be here Tracheophyta, okay, Tracheophyta, subdivision Pteridophyta, here should be Pteridophyta, type Pteris, characteristics, they do not lack vascular. They do not lack vascular bundle, means they possess vascular bundle, you mean to say? Or their leaves are, young leaves are circinate. Pteris and fawn, they are similar, okay. So, Sasank Lamsal, he has made very lovely slides, right? Are they so much clear or not? Generally, those slides which are brighter, they are so much clear. In the screen, those who made this one? Oh, this is made by Viveki. Okay, give a big round of applause to Viveki. Oh, good. Viveki have prepared this one and presentator is this one. Very good. But next time, when is the time of chapter presentation, everybody must do this one, okay? Minor presentation, I will give duty to single students for a whole chapter presentation in that way. So, there will be revision also, okay? So, what did he do? He classified Spirogyra. Spirogyra, kingdom, Plantae, division, algae, type Spirogyra, because there is no subdivision, no class, right? And vascular tissues like xylem and phloem are absent. Good. Moss belongs to Bryophyta, fawn belongs to Pteridophyta, Cycos belong to Gymnosperms. What a lovely this one, see? All figures are also here or not? It makes everything clear, see? It is made with full interest. It is made with full interest. See, here is maize, monocotyledon. Here is mustard, dicotyledon. So, all the materials are in internet also. If you want to find, just type there moss. So many figures come. And just simply you make the either copy and paste, or there is system. You can make screenshot also. In laptop also you can do screenshot, copy and paste over there. Matter is how much efficient you are. Understood or not? Okay. I know it takes little bit time to make it. It's not very easy work. Is it easy work? Because she typed these all. Yes or no? After typing, she found this picture somewhere else. Again, pasted over there. And it's done systematically. Classification figure, classification figure, classification figure. See? It's very good. So, this is the classification of plant kingdom. Right? Algae, bryophyta and tracheophyta. They are the divisions. Okay, very good. Now, which turn? Okay, Ritika is coming. Ritika, please come. Okay, please. Lalai. Very wonderful.
Plantae and division is Halophyta. It doesn't have a subdivision and classes. Likewise, its characters are the plant is they are autotrophs. They are mostly aquatic. Likewise, the next topic is moss. They are moss. They are genre of liverwort, which are non-vascular plant. Its kingdom is Plantae, and its division is Bryophyta. It also doesn't have subdivision and classes. Now, its characteristics are they require water for reproduction. The plant body is thallus, expect moss. Similarly, the third name is fern. They are distinct groups of vascular plants, each with unique characters. Its kingdom is Plantae, and its division is Tracheophyta, and its subdivision is Petridophyta. Its characteristics is they are autotroph. They are vascular plants. The plant in body is differentiated into root and stem. Likewise, I like to give this 3 topic to Joy. Joy.
Namaskar everyone. I am going to explain about classification of kingdom Plantae. So, let's take an example of pine. It is a plant. It lies in kingdom Plantae and its division is Tracheophyta. So, it is in division Tracheophyta because it have very well developed xylem and phloem, which are responsible for transportation of water and food materials in the plant, and its subdivision is gymnosperm. So, in Greek, gyno means naked and sperma means seed. So, naked seed. First, we can say that its seeds are naked and it is a non-flowering plant. It doesn't produce flower. As you can see, it bears cones instead of flower. Seeds are naked and they have fibrous root system. Similarly, let's take example of maize, wheat, bamboo. They lies in kingdom Plantae. They are in Tracheophyta as they have also well developed xylem and phloem. They lies in their subdivision is angiosperm. Angiosperm because they are very advanced flowering plants and their seeds are enclosed inside fruits for protection, and their class is monocotyledon as they have only one cotyledon. So their distinguished characteristics are they bear parallel venation. Their venation are parallel and they have fibrous root system as they are monocotyledon, and seeds are enclosed inside fruit as I have already said. And now mustard, pea, people, mango, etc. They lies in kingdom Plantae. Their division is Tracheophyta. They have also well developed xylem and phloem. They lies in angiosperm, and they have dicotyledon. They have 2 cotyledon in seed. They also bear parallel venation. The seed are enclosed inside fruit and they have taproot system. Thank you.
So, thank you, Group D members, right? Is that of Group D? Group C? Oh, Group C. So, Really, students are so much talented ones. See, they have not simply copied and pasted. Now it is colorful also. Classification of kingdom planty is done. Who has prepared this one? Srijal. Give him a big round of applause. And clapping also they don't know. Clapping is for our betterment. So they are giving like this. What is this? Finding marke? Is this? Remember, right? Okay. So clap for your betterment. Very good. See? So in a chart, excuse me, in a chart everything is explained here. Spirogyra of algae, moss, where is it? Moss, Riccia, Morgansia of Bryophyta, Fawn, Paniomala, horsetail of Tracheophyta and Pteridophyta, Psychospine, Tracheophyta, Gymnosperm, maize wheat, Tracheophyta, Angiosperm, monocotyledon, and mustard, pea, people, mango, orange, gram, lemon of dicotyledon. Everything is given. Kingdom, division, no phylum, division, then subdivision if there is, class, and distinguishing characteristics. So you must develop the habit to memorize the things. I've already told you, now nobody is going to fail it. That's why you must understand the things, what you are reading. No formality. Sometimes what do? They do formality only. Teacher said, okay, read. Sir, I am reading. Looking at the book, but mind is roaming somewhere else. That is wrong. After reading, what has it gone in your mind, express. That will be long lasting. Understood or not? So, if any doubt, please ask to your group leader. Otherwise, ask to your teacher. Or ask to your Google. Ask to AI. Use internet for your benefit. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Now who's turn? Group D. Group D, Sonis Gorom.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sonis Gurung from grade 10. So today I'm standing in front of you to explain about kingdom Animalia, classification of living being. So this kingdom includes many organisms which are multicellular eukaryotes, meaning this kingdom has like many organisms which are multicellular eukaryotics, and some of them are quite similar to each other, while other are different. Similar to each other, while other are different from each other. Meaning, when some of their species are quite similar, but they are different to like other species, and they differ in their physical structure, shape, and sizes. So they can be in their different physical structures and shape and size. Some of them maybe are small, some of them may be medium, or some of them may be large, and some characteristics features of kingdom Animalia are listed below. Their cells do not have cell walls. Centers are filled with vacuole and plastids. So their cells do not have cell walls, and central sap filled vacuole and plastid, and they contain glucose or fat as reserve food, and they have heterotrophic mode of nutrition, therefore hologic. The well-developed organ system with the division of labor, they exhibit an organ system level of organization. The organization may be a cellular level, peripheral tissue level, colinerates organs level platyhelminthes and nemathelminthes, and organ system level annelids, arthropods, mollusks, and echinoderms and chordates. The reproductive by both sexual and asexual methods. Some animals have external skeleton or exoskeleton without a backbone. Other animals have internal skeleton with a vertebrate column or backbone. All these animals are further classified into nine phyla as described below. So I would like to call seniors for explaining this.
So hello everyone, I am going to explain the kingdom phyla, phylums or phylum and class. So in Porifera, here is example cycone. So Porifera means they are pore bearing animals, and Colentrata means they have hollow intestine, and there is example of Hydra. And Platyhelminthes, they are like flatworms, and their example is tapeworm. And fourth one is Nemathelminthes, their example is roundworm. And 5 is Annelida, example is earthworm. Annelida are in like ring form, and Arthropoda, they have joint legs. For example, we can see here butterfly. And Mollusca, they are like soft bodies like snails. And Echinodermata, we can see starfish, they have spiny bodies. And Chordata, it is classified into subphylum like this: Hemichordata, Euchordata, and Cephalochordata, and Amphius, and Vertebrata. In vertebrate, there are 5 classes. Pisces, shark. Pisces means they live in water, and Amphibia means they live in both land and water. Frog. Reptilia means they crawl like snake, and apes means they can fly like parrot. Mammalia means they can bird to their own wings like bat. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much, Simres and Sonis. Actually, we have to be proud with Sonis. He was not speaking earlier. Yes or no? Nowadays, when he comes, he produces louder sound and explains the things. Give him a big round of applause. Great. No, some people, they are having shy nature. No, that type of nature must be eradicated. And this is prepared by whom? Saurabh prepared it. Oh, give him a big round of applause. Okay. Prepared by, actually today they have done very wonderful job. One person prepared the slide, and other people, they are explaining. That's good. That's good. That's very nice. Okay, kingdom classification of living beings, and they have done about this animal kingdom. Actually, it is of animal kingdom. So earlier it was completed of plant kingdom, right? And in animal kingdom, see here, multicellular eukaryotes. Their body contains many cells, and eukaryotes means the cells are well developed. Nucleus is also well developed. And most animals are motile. Motile means they can move from one place to another. But Porifera, they are sessile. Opposite of motile is sessile. And they contain, so some typing is missing here, they contain glycogen or fat as reserve food, right? And basically, look at here, these are the 9 phyla of Animalia: Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nemathelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, and what is here? Chordata. So chordata, 4 subphyla. What are they? Hemichordata, Eurochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. And class: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes, and Mammalia. These Pisces, Apes, Reptilia, they are poikilothermic. What are they? Poikilothermic means cold-blooded animals. And apes and Mammalia, what are they? Warm-blooded animals. Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, they are called oviparous. What do you call them? oviparous, Oviparous. Oviparous means what are they? Egg laying organisms. They lay eggs. And these four, they are oviparous. And mammalia is viviparous. Viviparous. Viviparous means they give birth to their young ones. Yes or no? Female produces egg that lies inside, but it doesn't come out. But if the egg tries to come out, it decays, and the ladies, especially human beings, there is menstruation, no? Females, they go through this one. But in other animals, I don't think so, there is menstruation, right? Right? Now I think final presenter is here, right? Who is that? Group E. Group E, who is going to explain? Oh, Bihan Balami is here. Let's welcome him.
Namaskar everyone, it's me Bihan Balami from grade 9. As you know, you are all my student. Sorry, I am your friend. Now, without delay, I like to start my presentation. My topic is none other than Kingdom Animalia. They are about phylum Porifera, and as you know, our Simres bro already discussed about the Kingdom Animalia, and I want to discuss about phylum Porifera. The terms Porifera means for bearing animals. The member of these phylums are called the first multicellular animals. They have many pores in their body, and they are commonly called sponges. And the most of the sponges are marine, and except its generally characters are given below. Such, for example, the example of Porifera are Cyclone and etc. And their characteristics are this group of animals are called poriferans. They vary many pores in their body. They don't move from one place to another. That's why they call sensile, and their body may be radically symmetrical, and they respire through their general body surface, and they don't have the specialized diabetes, nervous, digestive nerves, or etc. And moving throughout the phylum Coelenterata, the terms of Coelenterata means the group of animal whose body is provided with a central tubercle cavity called coelentron. Most of them are aquatic, mostly marine. Some live in fresh. They may live in coelents like hydra. The study of Coelenterata is called canidology. Its general characters are given below. They are sensile, and their body is radically symmetrical, and they respire through the general body surface, and they reproduce by both asexual and sexual. And phylum Platyhelminthes. The phylum Platyhelminthes include the animals which have a flat and soft body. The animal of this group are commonly known as the flatworms. They are called usually parasites. Few of them are called free livings, and their general characteristics are given below. They have a organization system, level of organization. They respire by simple through their body surface. Most of them are endoparasites, and some others are free living, and they reproduce asexually by fusion and regeneration. And some examples of platyhelminthes are blood flu, liver flu, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, Bian. So, who has prepared this one? Sarnia Bumrel. Give her a big round of applause. Sarnia is here. So, group members are these. Actually, they have got too much creativity, right?
Yes.
And listen, Sunday to Thursday, there is no presentation now. Understood or not? And today I will give you one work, so which you have to submit by coming Friday. Coming Friday, okay? Coming Friday. Before giving that work, let's discuss here. So, what is the first phylum of animal kingdom? Porifera. Porifera. Pores. If they contain pores, small holes, that group is of Porifera. And when we just talk about Porifera, but Porifera spelling become Poriferae. So while typing it will sometimes become mistake. Porifera. And example is Sycon, Euspongia. And you can say the characteristics. Number one characteristic, they are sessile. What are they? Sessile. They cannot move from one place to another. Number second, they contain numerous pores. Many pores in their body. Okay? Two characteristics if you write, that is better. Next one is Coelenterata or Coelenterata. So what are the examples? Hydra, jellyfish, and what is given next one? Coral, etc. Hydra, jellyfish, coral. And here what to remember? Number one is their mouth is surrounded by tentacle. Thread-like structures are present in their mouth, and those tentacles help them in locomotion and catch prey. They are first tissue-graded organisms. They contain tissue. Porifera, they do not contain tissue. That is all. And another important thing is their body contains a hollow cavity. What is the name of hollow cavity? Coelenteron. What do you call it? Coelenteron. Coelenteron. Okay. And the last one. What is the last one? Platy. You become platy also become. I think she is fond of typing PAS or what. So platyhelminthes. Platy means their body is flat. They are flatworms. Two characteristics are very simple. Number one, they are flatworms. They are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means they are bisexual. These organisms are bisexual. And they have incomplete digestive system. They have mouth but no anus. Very interesting. With the help of mouth, they can suck the food, but that food is already digested. So that is helpful for them and no extra material comes out. They are parasites. What are they? But it is given here, endoparasite. What is given there? Most of them are endoparasite, means they live inside the body of other organisms. Understood or not? Very good. Give a big round of applause, everybody. Children, now listen. Every day you will get 1, 2, 3, maximum 3 slides only, because next day we will discuss that one. But on Friday you will get a bit heavy work, so that within next Friday you can submit. These Fridays, today I am giving you work, Group A, Group B, Group C. What is here? Group D. What is here? Group E. Group A, Chapter 1. Whole chapter they have to do. Okay, Group A. Understood? All. Group B. Excuse me. Chapter. Okay, Group B. Who are the group members? Remember, you have to make the slides of Chapter 2. Okay. Group C. Who are the members of Group C? Chapter 3. I think is very short one, right? chapter 3. Group D, chapter 4. And group E, chapter 5. Children, listen. Listen, hey. This type of work will be given for 3 weeks only. This week, next week, then our whole books, PPT will be prepared. Then why to give next works? Then no such long question work will be given. Okay? So have a lovely time, practice, and you can start doing this PPT work on Wednesday only. When do you start? Wednesday, because up to Wednesday you have got exam. Wednesday evening, hello? Wednesday evening and Thursday you are free. At that time you have to prepare. Is that clear? Thank you.